Today we are going to be solving LeetCode problem number 70, climbing stairs. You are climbing a staircase and it takes n steps to reach the top. Each time you can climb either 1 or 2 steps. And how many distinct ways can you climb to the top? So in our first example, we have 2 steps to reach the top. That means there are 2 ways to climb to the top. We have 1 + 1 or just taking 2 steps. And for our second example, we have 3 steps to reach the top. So that means there are 3 ways to climb to the top. We have 1 + 1 + 1, or 1 + 2, or 2 + 1. This is a dynamic programming problem, so our goal is to eliminate repeated work and narrow the problem down to multiple subproblems. However, here, if you know your mathematics, you can instantly recognize this as a Fibonacci, and that is exactly how we're going to solve this problem. The most optimal way to solve this problem would be use the formula xn equals phi to the n minus the quantity of 1 minus phi to the n over the square root of 5, where xn is the term of the sequence we are trying to find, phi is the golden ratio, and n is the position number of the term in the sequence. But we won't be using this today because chances are that very few people would know this formula and recall it instantly. So our solution is going to look a little bit different. So instead, it's going to look something like this. We're going to initialize A and B, and they're both going to equal 1. For our step size, for a step and range n, we're going to have A and B. A is going to equal B, and B is going to equal A plus B. So this is our Fibonacci part. And after the loop ends, we're going to just return A. So as you can see, this is an excellent solution, and our time complexity is O of n, and our space complexity is O of 1. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to the Quant Bear.